So guys, your girl is here again to give you another two-in-one recipe. So I'm going to teaching you how to make this fried donut as well as this baked donut with just one recipe. Are you here ready to learn? Come with me as we begin. Welcome to my channel. Let us begin the process. So you're going to start by pouring your flour into your bowl and every other ingredient. This is just a one bowl thing. It's very easy. Just make sure you measure your ingredients accurately and then you put everything in one bowl. If you don't have a scale, you can get one, or you can I'm going to be putting in the description how you can measure with cups as well if you do not have a scale, so you can get exact measurements. If you do not have a mixer, you can also mix with your hands, but you're going to mix for 20 minutes. You're going to mix it for 20 minutes, and by the time you're done, you're going to beat and hit it on your surface really hard. If you want me to do the method with my hands for you, please put it in the comment section. I will oblige you. And if you are not following me at this point, please subscribe to my channel, share the video and like as well. So you see I'm mixing with my bowl. I started on low speed for like medium speed for like 10 minutes, and then I increased the speed for another 5 minutes, so that's 15 minutes. So when I'm done with mixing, what I'll do next is just to increase my speed again for another 1 minute. If you're going to do this with your hand, that's what I was saying earlier, you're going to have to keep hitting your dough on your surface. So that's it. After 1 minute, then I will check. You just check to see if it's okay. As you can see, it's ready, it's stretchy already and it's ready. So I'm going to keep this for just 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. This is going to help the outcome at the end of the day, especially if you're kneading with your hands and just in case you did not knead well or long enough. So this will help as well. So once you're done with this, then you're going to divide this into the sizes that you want. If you're going to be selling this, it will be nice for you to measure so you have accurate sizes. So some will not be bigger than some. You'll not be cheating some people for their money. So what you do is just to measure and make sure they are exact size. But if you're not going to be selling it, you can just go straight ahead and cut it into the sizes you want and then you fry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this into share it by using some. I'll bake some of it and I'm going to fry some of it. The ones I'll be baking, I will just put in the oven. You're going to be baking at 150 degrees Celsius. And you're going to be baking for not more than 10 or 15 minutes, depending on your oven. Just make sure you check after 10 minutes. And make sure you preheat your oven before you bake. Remember, it's donuts and it doesn't need too much heat. If you're using electric oven, you can use 140 and it still come out well. Make sure you make a round shape and make sure it's smooth. If it's smooth and beautiful, the end product will also be smooth and beautiful. So try your best to get a round smooth dough, and that is it. You do it like so for each and every one of the dough, then we're good to go. For the one I'll be baking, I'm going to be mixing milk. I just mix a little bit of milk and I'm going to rub it just to give it the shiny look at the end of it. If you do not want to use milk, you can use egg, but I prefer to use milk, and I'm going to bake that for just 10 minutes. Here I'm frying my dough already. Just make sure you are frying on a very low heat, or else your donut will not be cooked inside. This is the error so many people make. Once you put it inside and you see that your donut is turning brown quickly, it means your oil was too hot. So try not to make the oil too hot before you put it, and make sure you are frying on low heat. So you see how beautiful this looks. It's ready and we're going to take it out, and I'm going to show you what inside looks like. So you see, how is it? How do you think this looks? Beautiful, right? And yes, let's try the baked donut. It's beautiful as well. So whichever method you prefer, whichever one you want to do, you can just go ahead and do it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, share.